everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review of this product which is by Kiss Skincare. I also have a giveaway, but that will be done towards the end of the video, so keep on watching to know about this product as well as about the giveaway. First of all, starting off with the name, which was a bit of a for me. Its name is White Me Up Sleeping Pack. It doesn't even claim to be a whitening mask. I don't know why they've kept the name as White Me Up. But yes, trust me, it's not a fairness sort of thing. I would have never endorsed a fairness sort of a thing. I've already used Kiss Skincare's Brightening Collagen Mask. It's also a nighttime mask which you have to use every second day to just brighten up your complexion as well as minimize the pores. But that didn't work out that well for me. So I thought I'd give this one a try, which is White Me Up, and it says that White Me Up Sleeping Pack is an intensive nighttime facial treatment that moisturizes and brightens skin tone, reduces dark spots, blemishes, and tightens pores while you sleep. So starting off with the packaging, I think this box packaging is really cute as well, and it just looks really girly and chic, and it says Kiss Skincare Melissa's Kiss on top of it, and then you just open it up and it has another flap like so which also says Kiss Skincare, and then is the actual bottle right there, which is just this much, and it is 30 ml, and it's a sleeping pack, which I heard for the first time that you have a sleeping pack as well. It's basically just a thick cream, so that's that, and it looks like this, and its pump is like so. You will already see it in the demo. I'll insert the demo now. You can see how the packaging is. I really like the packaging. It's really hygienic and you don't need to touch the cream, like put your hands into it and anything of that sort. So I'll insert the demo now. So it's night time now. It's 11:35 and I have gotten ready for night. Yes, I get ready for night as well. But I'm just going to apply this sleeping pack now, and I'm going to just show you how to apply this. So the cream comes in this bottle and you have to remove the cap like so, and then all you have to do is push down this white thing that you see like so. You just push it down and there's cream on top of it. It comes out from the center. I'm just going to wipe this off and show you once again, and all you have to do is just apply it in a normal way, and I like to do it from the center of my face and moving outwards and in circular directions, like so. And also I have nothing on my face right now. I just washed it, so you want to take that into consideration, that I do not like to apply anything except this cream while I'm sleeping, because this is really moisturizing. It's a really thick cream. So I'm going to show you again. Just push it down and the cream just comes right there. So I just like to apply it like so, working from the center of my face outwards in circular motions. It's really, as I said, moisturizing. It's really thick in consistency, and that's why it's named sleeping pack. You don't want to apply this in daytime because it tends to get a little oily and sticky, and you don't want to go out with a face like that. Your skin can absorb this really well in nighttime, and when you wake up in the morning, you know, wake up with soft, fresh looking skin, which I really like. So now you've seen you apply this just like a cream, no jabber habber, no fancy things or anything, but just a normal cream. Now coming to the actual part, I'll just read out the claims once again, and I think this retails for about $36. I'm not really sure. I will write it in the bottom bar, and I would link their site in the bottom bar as well if you want to order one for yourself. I'd go back to the description. Intensive nighttime facial treatment that moisturizes and brightens your skin tone. I totally believe that this moisturizes like no one's business, because it's winters right now in India. Skin tends to dry up a lot, and this I have been using this every night on my skin, and it has moisturized my skin so much. My skin has gone back to being baby soft, and I really like it. I cannot like keep my hands away from my face, and even you guys have been saying that my skin has been looking so much more better. I think I'd credit it back to it maybe, but I've been doing a lot of things. So but this was one of the things that was there in my skincare regime as well. And then what does it say? It says brighten skin tone. I think that it does brighten skin tone, but yes, it just brightens area around the cheeks as well as the nose, where you tend to have more pores, because it does tighten up on pores as well, and larger pores gives the illusion of dull looking skin. So I think that is two in one thing, because it does tighten up the pores as well. I've never had issues of pores, but off lately I had been getting some open pores around this area, and after using this product my pores have just closed back like zoop, and I really like that. The other product by Kiss Skincare Brightening Collagen Mask, it didn't work that great for me. Like I couldn't see any difference. if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, just go ahead and do that. I did post a photo and a lot of you were like, do a review on it, but I really did not feel a difference. I've seen videos and reviews on YouTube which rave that this is the best skincare product ever, but honestly I didn't feel that much of a difference. I didn't feel it was doing anything except being just a normal night cream. So yes, but this one was a lot better than that because I could actually see results in it. So and then it says reduces dark spots. I had like dark spots right here. They're still visible, but they were a lot more darker. Now they've gone down, they've turned lighter, and the last one is actually a live pimple. It's just dying right now, so don't ignore, like just don't ignore, wow, just ignore that. I was mixing up Hindi as well, so yeah, just ignore that. But my dark spots from this side as well have gone a lot more lighter than they were earlier, so I'm really happy about that. I'm still working with this to get even more flawless complexion, but it does work on dark spots. So if you are suffering from acne spots, then this is a good product to try out. It would just lighten your acne scars and make your skin look much more flawless. Then next they say tightens pores. As I said earlier, it did tighten up my pores. I was having a little bit of pore issue right here, and it tightened it up like zoop, as I said earlier. So for me, this is a really nice product. I really like it, and I would like buy it again because I like it. And it's a sleeping pack. It smells good as well. It's not very overpowering, which I like. I hate strong fragrances. This is just the most mild fragrance which would help you induce sleep as well. So I really like the product, and I give it a thumbs up. The other one was a bummer for me, but this one was way better and I like it. So because I really like this product, but I thought it was a little bit expensive, so I thought I'd give one away to you guys. I have mine right here, and this one is for you. It's still sealed, it's packed. Don't worry, it's not used or anything. It's still fresh and new and just everything nice. To win this White Me Up sleeping pack, all you need to do is be a subscriber to this channel. You can subscribe by clicking the button down below, and once you've subscribed, all you need to do is comment below in the comment section which one skincare issue is the biggest issue in your life, and that is it. You can write, like, for example, if my issue is say dark circles, I'll be writing dark circles is the biggest issue I have. Anything about face, you know, like acne is the biggest issue I have, or dull skin is the biggest issue I have. I just want to know which issues we all suffer from, nothing specific or anything. But yes, this is what you're going to be winning if you win the giveaway. There's going to be only one winner. I'm really sorry you guys, I don't have multiple winners, just a one winner. So you're going to be getting White Me Up sleeping pack, and trust you me, it's not a fairness pack. I am against fairness, like not against fairness, but just against the idea of fairness is equal to beauty. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and giveaway, and I do hope that you all enter this giveaway because this is a really nice product. I really like it. So yes, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and all my social media links would be in the bottom bar, as well as an address where you can send me letters, and I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.